Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to grade 10. From Noor School and College Mansera, I am your teacher Muhammad Awais Kashmiri. Dear students, as you know that we are discussing the exercise of unit number 2, the champions. Dear students, you know that in previous lecture we have discussed first part of the exercise, and the first part of the exercise we discussed comprehension questions, MCQs, glossary and vocabulary. So dear students, today we are going to discuss use of articles, grammar portion of the exercise. Use of articles, use of pronoun, and we will learn that what is a pronoun and its antecedent. So dear students, now we are coming toward the exercise, grammar portion. Grammar, articles. Complete the following sentences using appropriate articles. My mother is dash doctor and my father is dash author. So, what fits in these two blanks? My mother is a doctor. In first blank, you will write a. My mother is a doctor and my father is an author. Why we have used an here? Because author is giving vowel sound. Author, a sound. So, a is vowel sound, so we will use an before the vowel sound. My mother is a doctor and my father is an author. Number 2. Amjad recommended dash good dentist, but dash dentist doesn't have any openings for 2 months. Amjad recommended a good dentist, but the dentist doesn't have any opening for 2 months. So in first blank we will use a, and in second blank we will use the. So C is the correct option. Number 3. Do you have dash broom? I dropped dash piece of cake and I need to clean it up. So, do you have a broom? I dropped a piece of cake and I need to clean it up. Do you have a broom? I dropped a piece of cake and I need to clean it. In both the blanks, we will use a. So, A is the correct option. Number 4. Do you have dash dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up dash word. Do you have the dictionary? Do you have the dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up a word. Look up a word. So C is the correct option. Do you have dash passport? Do you have a passport? You need a passport to travel outside of the country. So in first option we will use a, in second option we will use again a, and in third option we will use the. So A is the correct option. Now we are moving towards part B. Complete the following exercise with a, an or the articles. Put X or cross where no article is needed. So we will use a, an or the, or we will put cross where there is no need of any article. Boxing was originated in the ancient Greek and has been a popular sport ever since. Especially for men, so there is no need of any article, so I have put cross here, especially for men. Lately, however, it has been a major health fitness trend for women. So I have again put X here because there is no need of any article. Boxing was included during the first Olympic Games. During the first Olympic Games. In the ancient Greek, boxing was not a safe sport. They never used gloves. Professional boxing is dash excellent career. Is an excellent career. A boxer's aim is to land as many punches on an opponent because it is giving vowel sound, an opponent as possible. For most of the 20th century, the 20th century, boxing attracted huge fan and media attention. So dear students, I hope you people are clear with this exercise. Now we are moving toward the second part, pronouns. As you know that a word which is used instead of a noun or a part of speech which is used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. So here we need to use pronouns. My name is Sania. Dash love my family. I love my family. I love my family. So B is the correct option. I met Sonia yesterday. She made me laugh. Sonia is the name of a girl, so we will use she as a pronoun in this sentence. She made me laugh. C is the correct option. At the left you can see Saad. Dash is my brother. Dash is my brother. He is my brother. As Saad is the name of a boy, so he will use he for Saad as a pronoun in this sentence. He will be used. Number 4. Birds flap their wings. Birds flap their wings. Okay, because here we have plural and we will use their. My grandparents live in Karachi. Dash visit us. They visit us. It is also a plural form, so we will use they. Lubna, Leila and Tahira were cross because they had waited ages for the bus. They. Collectively they become plural. Lubna 1, 2, 3. So we will use they. Palvasha watched the children carefully as they crossed the road. As they crossed the road. Children. So we need noun and pronoun agreement as well. So children is plural, so we will use they. Hold the bag please while I put the shopping in it. So we will use it for bag. It is a non-living thing, so we will use it for it. Okay. So here we are done with pronoun, common pronoun as well. Now we are moving toward part B. Choose one of the following relative pronouns who, which or whose to complete each sentence. Actually, relative pronoun is that pronoun which introduces dependent clause. Mostly we introduce dependent clause from relative pronouns. And what are these relative pronouns? Who, which or whose. These are relative pronouns. So I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. So in first blank we will use whose. Okay. Mr. Razak, who is a taxi driver. So in first sentence we were connecting car with the girl. So we used whose. We have given a relation. But now here Mr. Razak, who is a taxi driver, we are introducing Mr. Razak, that he is a taxi driver. Mr. Razak, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. So in second blank we will use who. I live in a house in Nara, which is in northern Pakistan, which is used in third one. Number 4. This is the girl who comes from Sawat. Who will be used. Number 5. That's Naeem, the boy who had just arrived at the airport. Who had just arrived at the airport. Number 6. Those who haven't paid their fee should do so at once. Those who haven't paid, who will be used. This is a detective novel which you might like, which will be used. Number 8. Here are the keys which you were searching for. So which will be used in number 8. C. Underline the indefinite pronoun in the following sentences. So dear students, what is indefinite pronoun? Actually, that refers to non-specific beings, things or classes. You will see that these pronouns will not refer anything specific. Okay. Everybody enjoys a good movie. In this sentence, everybody is an indefinite pronoun. So it is not referring to a specific thing, a class, a being. Everybody. So whom we are talking about? Everybody means no one specific is given in this word, everybody. So everybody is indefinite pronoun. Does anybody have the time? So what do you mean by anybody? So doesn't giving any specific point. So anybody is indefinite pronoun. Nobody knows the trouble I have seen. Nobody is indefinite pronoun. The secret was known by few. So few is indefinite pronoun. No, the secret was known by many. Many is indefinite pronoun. Calculus is too hard for some. So some, not giving any specific information. So it is also an indefinite pronoun. Surely you recognize somebody. Somebody is indefinite pronoun. He is not a liar. I am sure everything he said was true. So everything, not giving any specific information, not referring any specific thing. So it is indefinite pronoun. Dear students, now we are moving towards part D. Identify pronouns and their antecedents in each sentence. Underline once the personal pronoun and underline twice its antecedent. So we will underline pronoun once and twice its antecedent. Now we are moving first toward a thing that what is antecedent and what is its pronoun. So dear student, here I have an example for you people. Asma often plays with her doll. Asma often plays with her doll. So I have used a pronoun her, a personal pronoun her, for whom? For Asma. I have used personal pronoun her for Asma. So the body for which I am using this pronoun, the body for which I am using this pronoun is the antecedent, of this pronoun. The body for which we are using this pronoun is actually antecedent. The body is antecedent. So an antecedent is a word for which pronoun stands. Or in other words, what is an antecedent? An antecedent is a word for which pronoun stands. Here, for what this pronoun is standing? For Asma. So a word for which a pronoun is standing is actually the antecedent. The body for which a pronoun is standing is actually antecedent. Asma is the antecedent of this pronoun her. Dear student, do remember, pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number. Pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number. Suppose I give you an example. Asma and Alia often plays with her doll would be wrong, because it is not agreeing with its number. Asma and Alia often plays with their doll would be right answer. So a pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number. How many numbers we'll have? We'll use according to the number of bodies the word pronoun. Singular pronoun must replace a singular pronoun and plural must replace a plural pronoun. Here we have singular, so we have used singular pronoun. If we will have plural here, so we will use plural pronoun or other pronouns. So now we are coming toward the exercise. Identify pronouns and their antecedents. In each sentence, underline once the personal pronoun and underline twice its antecedent. So, as a child, Asma often played with her dollhouse. So, her is pronoun and Asma is its antecedent. Asma is its antecedent. I have twice underlined this word Asma, which is antecedent of the pronoun her. Neither Danish nor Wasim will have trouble finding information for their report. So, Danish nor Wasim. So, we have two nouns, so collectively these become plural, so we have used a different pronoun there. So here we are agreeing this pronoun with the number of nouns or other things. So here there is pronoun and Danish and Wasim are the antecedents. Each of the boys refused help, saying that they would proofread the report on their own. So they and there are the pronouns, okay, and each of the boys is antecedent, okay. Nobody likes to discover that they have just read a dull report about an interesting subject. Nobody is antecedent and they is used pronoun. Tanya needs a result card of her grades. Her is pronoun and Tanya is its antecedent. Asif said that they made their own clothes. They and there are pronouns and their antecedent is Asif. One of the girl left her sweater in the bus. One of the girl is antecedent and her is pronoun. So the antecedent of the pronoun her is one of the girls. Similarly, several other classmates also choose their topics. Several other classmates are antecedents and there is pronoun. We have the same exercise number E. Underline the pronoun and circle its antecedent in parentheses in the sentences below. That which pronoun we will use for these antecedents. Someone has removed the grammar book and I want him. So him is actually agreeing with someone. So him is pronoun and someone is its antecedent. To return it, someone is antecedent and him is pronoun. Although I knew somebody called me, I did not answer her. So her is pronoun and somebody is antecedent. We can't use them because it is for plural. Each man must do what he feels is right. Each man is antecedent and he is pronoun. Everybody in the lab was ready to complete their assignment. Everybody means it is sort of collective thing. It is plural. So there is used as pronoun for this and these antecedent, this antecedent. So there is pronoun and antecedent is everybody. No one wants to admit his weakness. His is pronoun and no one is antecedent. So dear students, today we discussed first article, use of articles, then we discussed pronoun and use of relative pronoun, use of indefinite pronoun, and then we discussed that what is an antecedent and what is a pronoun. So what is antecedent? An antecedent is a word for which pronoun stands. Okay, now I hope you people are clear with these things. Now I am giving you a simple homework. So what is your homework? Write 5 sentences and underline the pronoun while circle its antecedent. Write 5 sentences and underline the pronoun while circle its antecedent. Example, Ali said Ali said that he has passed the exam. Ali said that he has passed the exam. So here he is pronoun and Ali is antecedent. I have underlined the pronoun and encircled its antecedent. I hope you people are clear with these concepts. Write these 5 sentences on your notebooks and send it to me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.